Hello everyone. Today we are taking a look at my Leatherman Wave Plus. Have you ever caught needing a tool but your toolbox is in the truck, buried under junk in the garage, or just nowhere near where you actually need it? That's exactly why I went looking for something I could carry every day without feeling like I got a toolbox strapped to my waist. And after a lot of trial and error, I landed on this Leatherman Wave Plus. Now it's been riding in my pocket for about maybe last 3-4 months, every single day. And no, Leatherman is not sponsoring this video. Here we have no sponsors, no BS, just what I've actually been using. So let's take a look and see what we got here. The original Leatherman was invented by Tim Leatherman in 1980s because his junky travel car kept breaking down. It's a true story. Now let me walk you through exactly what it's got and how each part has held up in real life. This is the box it came in. I just put my tool back into the box just to let you guys know how it comes from the factory. So this is what we got, what we are working with. This is the Leatherman user guide, and it's got a bunch of different so this is Wave Plus, this one's Surge, Signal 300, and then these are the accessories that are sold separately. On that account, I got some bone to pick with the Leatherman. This is the tool here, and as you guys can see, there are a bunch of scratches on it. This, I had to get this separate from Leatherman. You know, come on Leatherman. I have Leatherman Rev. It comes with a clip. It's like $69 Canadian when you get it, right? And this one does not, so go figure. It comes with a nylon sheath. So this is the belt clip, and just a no frills sheath that comes with it. So this is what we are working with. Let me walk you guys through exactly what it's got and how each part has held up in real life. So big hitters first. First we are talking about pliers, needle nose, and a regular plier, grabbing wire, pulling staples, bending stuff, and bending it back into shape. No wiggle side, like still tight. Regular wire cutters, and then on the back there's hard wire cutters. Cut through zip ties, wire, even hanger wire without chipping, still sharp. So if you can get your pliers through, it's pretty sharp. The straight blade, I don't know if you guys can see, like there are a bunch of scratches right here. Well, I'm trying to. So there are a bunch, because I've been using it, as I said. It's 420 HC, as in high carbon steel. I've used it on everything, plastic, fruit, cardboard, and it's still got bite. Now on the other side there's a serrated blade. It's also 420 HC, and it's a cardboard killer. Rope, nylon straps, rips right through. Serrated blades cut better on rope and fabric because they grab as they slice. It's kind of like mini chainsaw. There we go. And we got a saw. It's a little savage, cleared out branches, helped me notch some 2x4s. It's a no joke. It's no joke. It's still pretty sharp. I haven't used it as much as the other ones though. Next we got a diamond coated file, and then this is a regular file on the other side there. This one I've used a bunch of times. I've like to comes in pretty handy. Sharpening other tools, like you can use them in a pinch to sharpen knives. I've used it to sharpen my Gerber suspension NXT. That blade gets kind of dull if you use it a little while, so that's that. And then there are tools you forget about until you need them, like, let's see, scissors. Yeah, they are kind of small. At first I did not care about them one way or another. They are spring loaded, but now I have come around on that. They are surprisingly useful. They've cut tape, they've cut zip ties, old credit cards, and even some fabric patches, and they are still tight. Like, they work pretty good. And then we got a can opener or a bottle opener. Matter of fact, I just today I used it to open a can of chili from Walmart for my kids. And no, no. The file coarse and fine, as in diamond coated. Knocked down sharp metal edges on a bracket, used it to sharpen my Gerber Multitools knife, used it on wood once too. And then we got Phillips flat screwdrivers with the swappable bits. I love that, makes it way more flexible. It's got strong magnet, bits not going anywhere, no flex in this one either. And then we got micro driver. Where is it? There we go. This is a screwdriver. You can use it on your glasses. That's what's it's supposed to do. This is the flat side, and then this is a Phillips side. And I have not once used it for its intended purpose, but I've used it plenty. I've used it. It also has more than one screwdriver, a flathead. This one, like you can see, two of them. And then we got the third one right here. I have used this one as a pry bar and a pinch. It works. I don't recommend it. You might break it, but it does work. That's what all multi-tools are supposed to be. Like when you need something, done, you don't have a proper tool for it. This, yeah, you can use it. That's what it's supposed to do. Now here we got, a ruler. This is in inches, and then this is in centimeters, right? So we got 7.5 inches, and then we got 18.5 centimeters. 16, 18, 19 centimeters. It's short, but sometimes you just need close enough, and it's right there. So in a pinch, you just need, and it's there. Everything locks up tight, no rust. Nothing came loose, opens smooth from day one, unlike some other Leatherman tools. Looking at you, rebar. This is what a multi-tool is supposed to be. It's smooth, it glides with the pocket clip. It doesn't feel like too much. So what's not great about this? First off, as we already talked about, there is no clip included. I had to get it separate. So for that tool that's that expensive, just include it, please. Then we got scissors. Could be a little bigger. Not a deal breaker, just a wish. Would I buy it again? Hell yeah. This thing's earned its spot in my daily carry, whether I'm fixing something at home, working on the truck, or out in the field. Every time I get out of my house, it's with me. If you're tired of being caught empty-handed and you want one tool that just shows up and does the job, this is the one. If this helped at all, hit that like button, subscribe, please, it helps a lot. Got any questions, drop them in the comments. I actually read them, and if you want more straight up no BS gear reviews, just hit subscribe. I've got more coming. Catch you in the next one. Be safe.